Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields. I've got a treat for you guys today. As you can see, I'm over here on the East Coast at Future Homes at their Hampstead location. Going to be taking you through the cutest little cottage. They actually call it the Cottage. It's a little front end loader. It's got a factory included front porch, two little turn gables up there to give it some decorative look. Got the black windows today, the black raised panel shutters to go with that white siding. Really good looking house here. I love the front door. Again, this is a end loader, a front end loader, so it's going to be shaped more front to back than side to side. Going to be perfect for a city lot or down here at the beach. There's your little porch there. Let's get in and take a look. Wow. Oh, so cozy. I love it. So this is the Cottage. This is a nationwide plan here at, like I said, at the Hampstead location for Future Homes. Notice the 9-foot ceilings, the craftsman style casing around the doors and windows. I feel like we talk about it in every video, but you have 4 can lights in that living room on top of the fan, so you're gonna just have ample amount of light. Love this kitchen. I mean, for a small little cottage, I mean, what else are you looking for? Hard to beat this. There's your 50-50 farmhouse sink, or 60-40, I guess. Pantry cabinets. Love it. Luxury vinyl plank flooring is always going to be included in the main space, so we don't do any of that roll-out flooring, or we don't do carpet in the living room, none of that mess. We're going to include the LVP in the main spaces and wet areas, and if you want to pay extra for the bedrooms, have at it. As we go down this hallway, to the left is going to be the utility, which could feed into a garage or carport. There's your washer and dryer hookup area. And then to my right is bed 2, or a bath 2, but before we get there, we've got another storage slash closets. And here's that bath 2. Cool countertop. I don't know if I've ever seen that. Yeah, your bath 2s are generally, you know, tub shower combo. You can option in stand-up showers and all that mess, but just really whatever you want to do there. So this is bedroom 2. Just love that style casing around the doors and windows. The black hardware package, so knobs, hinges, shower heads, water faucets, all that black trim. Walk-in closets, even in the spare bedrooms. It's hard to beat. All right, let's check out that master suite. Uh-oh, barn door. Barn doors are usually always an option. There are some scenarios where they don't work. Same with pocket doors. I'm gonna call them generally an option, but every now and again you come across somewhere you can't make it work. That is taking us into that master bath. Got a window for natural light. There's your 60-inch fiberglass shower. Love it, love it. So let's go back and look at this plan and kind of talk about a few things real quick. So here's that floor plan. So your front door is here. Like I said, this plan does include a factory installed or factory included front porch. So I guess Might make it easier if I'm looking at it this way, but there's your front door. Got your kitchen, living. There's bedrooms in the back. And this model is 2-bed, 2-bath, and they show it at 996 square feet, the Cottage. It's basically just a smaller front end loader. You could look at the Camilla, the Fremont. There are numerous front end loading options. So keep that in mind if that's what your lot needs, okay? Thank you guys. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Like this video if you found it helpful. Comment if you have suggestions. All of my social medias are down there in the description. Be sure to check out the TikTok, the Instagram, all that good stuff. Thank you guys. Take care.